Alright, me and my friend Ryan are walking in a forest in our time in Kansas. He claims to have seen something or someone, but I don't see anything.
I swear, I literally saw something. I swear.
It's probably your imagination, or maybe. Dude, I saw something too.
Good evening. So today we will be talking about the recent trend about Slender Man. There has been a video that is going viral everywhere on social media that people claim to see Slender Man. There's also reports recently around Florida that people are claiming that they have been seeing Slender Man. Now I'm believing that the tall creature aka Slender Man is real.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Miami Police Department. At 3:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple reports are coming in that a strange entity is roaming the city of Miami. Even though this entity isn't confirmed to be hostile, everyone should stay in their homes until an update comes for your safety. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Florida Police Department. This is an update to the tall entity situation. The tall entity is confirmed to be hostile. This entity is roaming around Miami and attacking people in an unknown way. How we know that this entity is hostile is because this entity seems to stare at people, and when it's done staring, the person somehow dies. This thing can also teleport. Here's a description of the entity. It's 8 feet tall, it has no face and is wearing a dark suit. If you see this entity, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation.
So we all know that Slender Man is real, right?
Yeah, and I think we might need to use an SCP to try kill this thing.
I don't know if that's a good idea, but if we are going to use one, then maybe we should use 173.
Alright, let's send SCP-173, but I'm going to ask the United States government to send the military in Florida to make sure that if 173 wins, then they have to take it back to the Foundation and be very careful and keep their eye on it.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. 1 minute ago, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected a nuclear missile launched by the tall creature, which is now confirmed to be Slender Man. This nuclear missile is confirmed to be hitting Miami, Florida. All residents in a 100-mile radius of Miami should seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear attack.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is an update to the nuclear missile situation. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected a launch of 20 nuclear missiles from Slender Man, and they are heading for the following locations in the United States: Guam, Puerto Rico, Los Angeles, California, Las Vegas, Nevada, Dallas, Texas, Miami, Florida, New York City, New York, Indianapolis, Indiana, Honolulu, Hawaii, Chicago, Illinois, Kansas City, Missouri, Topeka, Kansas, Denver, Colorado, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Seattle, Washington, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Cheyenne, Wyoming, Portland, Oregon, San Diego, California, and Washington, D.C. All residents in the 100-mile should seek a fallout shelter immediately. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, pets, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. The missiles will hit their targets in 1 hour.
The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. Slender Man is now gone and all the fallout is gone. Everyone is free to exit their shelters.